November 7th, opening day in Kentucky with a good buddy, Mike Sberna. I'm filming for him, trying to kill big buffer call fishes tonight. It's rather cold for opening day in Kentucky, right around 80 degrees. Mike's done his homework on it. A nice shooter buck. And hopefully right around 7:30, 8 o'clock, we'll get a crack at him first thing. So stay tuned. He's come out at about 7:20. Come out of this corner. Start hitting the corn pile. They're going to let us know when that big buck comes out. They'll stare into it. I believe you got a wasp nest in your seat. But they'll start staring down at this corner the whole time. And he's going to walk right out, right to the spot. We're going to be ready for him. I put in the homework. I've sat 3 nights up here on top of the hill glassing through them. Clockwork, 8 o'clock every time. Big boy fishes comes out of this corner every night, 8 o'clock. Right here. We'll be set up for him. I got another big buck we call Tank. The guy's got a giant body on him. He either comes from this corner up here or it comes directly out in front of us. Either one of these bucks would be good shooters. I was looking at Tank on Wednesday this week. He was already rubbed out hard horn, so I won't pass him up, but if Precious is still holding this velvet, that's our main target. So 7:45 would be go time. Should be a good time. What time you got now? It's 5:15, so we got a little while. Get the first of the season jitters out. That's devastating. Hey guys, Ian Foos with KO Outdoors. Hunting again with Mike Sberna. September 8th, we're after a buck. He calls freshest again. We had an awesome night last night. Freshest didn't show up, but we saw plenty of good bucks. We're back in the same spot tonight. Weather conditions are very similar. Just hoping freshest shows up and Mike gets to stick one to him. So stay tuned. Hopefully I can get him on the ground. Guys, it's September 14th. We're hunting for freshest again. It's day 3. We hunted them last weekend. No luck.
We saw plenty of good bucks, but just couldn't connect. So Mike and I are back in the stand. The same set he's been hanging around, so hopefully tonight he makes his mistake and we can connect on him. Mike's below me and we're ready to go.
Man, I knew there was no playing around with that. Rage in the cage, baby. God. Man, I'm telling you what. When I heard that big crash in the woods coming out, when Reg came out in the field and I heard that big crash in the woods, I knew he was my guy. Stoned him, dude.
That's what I'm talking about, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Big buck down. Big buck down, baby.
Just
baby. Doubled up. Doubled up, baby.
Now we got some work ahead of us.
Stones shooting, boy. Shooting. I just smoked one. Yeah. I just got one. Yeah, we just doubled up. Just smoked. Yeah. It's the unicorn buck, yeah. It's the unicorn buck. Yeah. I got it. Yeah. We got some work to do, so I'll let you know. Yeah, I'll send you the video.
Got it, baby.
Let's go. Let's go, dude. This is awesome. Down, man.
Broke me up. Still shaking, by the way.
Look at this. Look at that.
Ain't about to take any gambles on this guy.
I thought I just seen breathe in it.
Oh my goodness, did I wreck him?
Oh yeah.
He isn't as good as I thought he was.
He's a good buck, dude.
Yeah, but he ain't as good as I thought he was, but he is still a dandy. It's 2 broken arrows today.
Look at this reb over here, Ian. Hey.
Oh, baby. There
He is.
There he is, baby. Dude, look at this unicorn. Look at that.
Oh, unicorn buck.
That is wild. That is wild.
Well guys, here it is. Product of all the hard work's paid off. Good buddy of mine, Ian Foos. Came out, I guess the second weekend we came out and had a heck of a sit opening afternoon. Seen all these guys except for this buck here that I call Frishes. Nickname Frishes, you can't have a Frishes without being a big boy, so we brought him into nickname of Frishes. Had beautiful velvet on him. He looked like a stud in velvet. I set up and did homework on him for, gosh, weeks. I set up there in the truck and watched him for a couple of nights. You know, put in all the legwork. I knew this deer was coming at 8 o'clock, time and time again. And you know, hard work pays off. Sunday, opening weekend, Sunday we came out. Seen this deer here. We got tons of trail camera pictures of him, and didn't even realize he's got a unicorn beam coming out of the center there, little crooked eye guard off the left. And got to talking with Ian and said, you know, it'd be a great buck for you to take. I'd like to get him off the farm, and I'd like for it to be on camera. And we put together a plan today. This guy came out. I knew he came. There's another buck we call Red, real beautiful red coat on him, and he come out, milled around for a little bit, and I heard a big crash here behind me, and I knew it was going to be this deer coming out. He likes to have a confidence deer in the field with him, and never the first deer in the field. And as soon as he came out, it was get to work, get to work, get to work. These deer have been coming out and hitting this food plot, and every one of them is staring at us in the field. And so we knew we didn't have a whole lot of time to put together, you know, a long show for you. But as soon as he came out and gave me a nice shot, we took it. Maybe what? 25, 35 minutes after this, we had two other bucks come out in the field, and one smaller one and this guy. And Ian and I switched stands. I took the film stand, he took the hunt set, and as soon as he came into range, I ranged him at 32 yards, and Ian went to work on him. So doubled up 2 heart shots within 35 minutes, same food plot, same tree. Doesn't get much better than that. This is easily my best buck to date that I've gotten my hands on. You know, just what dreams are made of. You know, we thank God so much for the ability and all the many blessings He's given us. I know Ian's tickled to death to have this buck. I'm tickled for him. You know, you don't have. I don't know if you can see it real good in the camera, but you don't get this character very often. So when you do get a shot at him, boy, you take it.
Absolutely. I've shot some bigger deer in my life, but I've never shot one with a lot of character, just typical bucks. And one with, when Mike said he'd let me take this buck off the farm with the unicorn point, it was a no-brainer. And I've never been able to kill a deer on camera, and so that was check that off the list tonight. And as a kid, you dream of that. You sit there and watch TV, and you just want to be the guy shooting, and it finally happened tonight. It's a little dream come true for me, but we had an awesome night. You can't ask for anything better. Doubling up on 2 nice Kentucky bucks 2 weeks into the season.
Yeah, and literally, season started a week ago today.
Right. So it's definitely a blessing. So can't wait. We'll get Mike up to Ohio, and we'll see if we can do it again.
That's happening.
We're gonna see if we can do it again.
We're gonna double up later this year. That's gonna happen again.
So pretty cool footage. I'm super pumped about it. We got a lot more coming for you guys though. So
Kentucky bucks down.
Kentucky bucks down. This is crazy.
Well, let's get to work, bud.
Let's do it.
There you go.